Hi everyone, my name is Jake During and I'm here with Felt Bicycles TV. This is a pretty special episode. As you can see, we're at the San Diego Wind Tunnel. The San Diego Wind Tunnel is really a home away from home for Felt Bicycles. We've been coming here for over 20 years. This wind tunnel was originally made for airplanes, but has been specifically adapted for bicycles as well. During this episode, you'll really see every room of the wind tunnel and get an insight of what goes on during our aero testing.
We start every session in the wind tunnel with something we call the TARE bike. The TARE bike is our constant, non-variable bike that we have been using for many years. It permanently lives at the wind tunnel. While the air density and temperature can change in the tunnel from visit to visit, the TARE bike stays exactly the same. And we use this to get a baseline to help us calibrate the tunnel before each data gathering session. We do this to make sure the data we collect today can be accurately compared to past and future tests. Once we see that the results of today's test align with the TARE test from the past, we can begin our testing. When setting out to create the most aerodynamic bikes in the world, the most fundamental principle on which our engineers focus on is minimizing drag. Drag is a force that is generated by any object moving through air. The wind tunnel allows us to accurately measure that force. To do so, we attach a bicycle, or in some cases, just a singular tube or wheel, onto the circular platform in the center of the wind tunnel. The platform is actually a very sensitive scale, and when air flows through the tunnel, that scale measures the amount of drag the object is generating. We typically test from plus minus 20 degrees in 2.5 degree increments. Once our team prepares the bike inside the tunnel, we let the tunnel operators gather the data. They know each test on a data board, and by the end of the day, our engineers have stacks of data to analyze and then decide if it's time to go back to the drawing board, make a small tweak, or move on to production. One of the most interesting rooms of the San Diego Wind Tunnel is the prop room. This room houses the massive 20-foot in diameter propeller that generates all the wind for the tunnel testing. The motor pumps out 2,250 horsepower, and it's capable of sending air through the tunnel at speeds anywhere from 5 to 270 miles per hour. While the wind tunnel is a vital tool for testing the aerodynamics of a bicycle, it's also very often used to dial in the position of world-class athletes around the world. Countless road cyclists, triathletes, and even motorcycle racers have visited the San Diego Wind Tunnel to improve their position. Many felt athletes, including Kona World Champion Mirinda Carfree, Olympic gold medalist Kristen Armstrong, and the U.S. track cycling team have all been frequent visitors to the San Diego Wind Tunnel. We hope that helps shed some light on the development process here at Felt Bicycles. The wind tunnel is one of the vital tools in creating the most aerodynamic bicycles in the world.